Because don't be wrong, lace is lace, but the lace is lacing. If you ask me, if I do say so myself, you know what I mean? Hey y'all, I'm back and I want to play with wigs this week. So I have this cute new red curly unit. We got to see what it's giving. So let me introduce her 1 second. Un momento. Oh, actually first, let's get into the hair prep. My natural hair is braided every which way right now. I've been wearing lots of half wigs to work out in. I just feel like it's a little bit easier than like worrying about lace sliding and all of that while you're sweating. To me, I like a glueless wig, but I've been dying to play in wigs. I'm not gonna lie, I miss them so much. So we're gonna try one today. And I have my hair braided, 2 big braids in the back, a couple small braids in the front, and I just popped a wig cap on the regular way. I didn't like melt it in. I just popped it on real quick with a little bit of bronzer. This is gonna be a super beginner friendly tutorial. So, or just something chill, how you actually throw your wig on if you were in a rush, girl. We're not gonna do too much today. If y'all want an in-depth wig tutorial, like customizing a hairline, bleaching the knots, maybe doing like a custom color, something a little bit more intricate, let me know, because that would be fun to do. And I'm always here for the video suggestions. I've actually filmed a couple of y'all video suggestions, so make sure your notifications are on because I got some good stuff coming, okay? But look, I didn't get sidetracked. Hold on. All right. We have a new unit from UNice. So she's pretty reasonably priced. I wouldn't want them to be too expensive. So I'll leave the details for her down below, but she is a 20-inch chestnut brown Burmese curly unit. Girl, I'm trying not to be ravenous, okay? But I really love playing with color, and even though it's supposed to be spring, and it is not here in Chicago, child, it is freezing, I still want to play with color. We're gonna pretend, okay? It's spring in my heart, okay? So she is a 7x5 chestnut brown ombre. Gorgeous. The 7x5 closure is nice and wide, so she really gives frontal, honestly. And because it's like a dark root, we can leave out a little edges if we wanted to. We have this nice thin invisible strap that's actually sewn into the wig. You can't take it out. That's interesting. It's a new cap construction. We're gonna see how I like this. This is interesting. It also has a nice grip band around the outside with a comb in the back and a drawstring. Okay, it's a little something new, okay? I'm gonna leave this band not too tight just to kind of see where it already is. If I need to tighten it, I will, but I got a big head, girl, so she should be fine. And really, let's pop her on. I wanna style her, but to be honest, she kind of cute out the box. Like, normally wigs will come a little too defined for me, but I want to play. Let's see what she's giving. Hold on. Let me put my little new elastic strap down. All right. I hate when the hairs get stuck under the lace. So I try to make sure that's not happening. Okay. I'm gonna tighten up the adjustable strap just a little in the back. Well, quite a bit actually. I don't want it so tight that I get like a headache, but I don't mind her being a little tight. Oh, right. I like the hairline. It has that like not super straight cut to the lace, which I like because it blends in a lot better. I do want to customize the hairline just a touch in the middle. I'm obsessed with my little sister's hairline. So I try to make like a little mini widow's peak on my wigs. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny one. And I like to comb the hair out first because I don't want to have any like short pieces left behind. So I try to cut right along where I part the hair. Okay, so now we have like a little slightly customized hairline situation. It just makes it look a little bit more natural to me, which we love. Okay, where's my melted spray? Okay, I have the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray by Mrs. Roshpa. She's another wig creator on YouTube, and I got her glue when it first came out. And she's brand new, y'all. I also really love her melting spray, so we're gonna use that today. I don't want anything too strong. I want it to just give, you know? So we're gonna put this little box to work. I'm just gonna spray some melting spray on here. Then with a small little makeup brush, I like to go into it. My little brush be crunchy, girl, because it has like leftover product in it. So you gotta pat her in there, okay? And then once she has some product in her, we're literally just melting that lace in. And it stops about here, which is really nice for a 7x5 closure. Not gonna lie, I'm not mad at it at all. All right. Then I'm gonna take a little edge brush, rub it in that product as well. And I'm gonna just do some light little swoops. Nothing too crazy, almost like slightly messy. Not quite baby hair, just kind of, I don't know how to explain it, girl. Just like some little tendril curls. Because I have a relatively low hairline on the side and I don't like bringing my wigs down too far in the middle. So I like to add a little something to the edges right here just to kind of blend in the lace. And it also gives more of that like frontal effect, but not too perfect, just something slight, girl. Just a couple hairs, you know? I'm trying to make them even. I think I started my little edges a little, yeah. Like so, like that. And I'm gonna leave the front without any baby hairs just so you can kind of get into our little custom hairline, even though we didn't have to pluck nothing or really do much. Thank you, UNice. Yeah, so I like that. I'm good with that. I think it looks cute, simple, and then we can get into styling the actual hair. And they sent this real cute, hold on, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I get so many of these melting bands. I don't keep most of them, and they're normally too thick. This one is a little thinner, which I really like. And look at the colors. I love neutrals. I'm not really like a pink girl. I am getting into my baby pink era, which I like, but for the most part, so yeah, I'm here for the neutral band. It's super cute. We're gonna just tie our lace down and get into the hair. Now it's a Burmese curly unit with the finger curls at the bottom. And I'm not gonna lie, it's nice and fluffy as opposed to the curls being all stuck together. So I think I'm gonna try to see what is given straight out of the box. I'm gonna just run my fingers through it and maybe we'll add in a couple layers. Don't forget to fluff out the back. And y'all know I like volume, so I'm just running my fingers through it kind of willy-nilly. If you want to, you can go in and individually separate the curls, but I want all of the volume. I love how full this wig is, and I like wanted to get that. Now I'm loving the kind of blunt cut vibe in the back, but I do want to add some face framing layers. So let's go ahead and get into that. I got my little section in the front, and I don't want my layers too short. Just about there. Love it. Okay. Yeah, this side has a little more shape. I like that. Cute. Okay. I like the fluffiness of it, so I think I'm gonna go in with just water on the ends of the hair I cut the layers into, and we're gonna just brush it through and give her a little finger comb. Because I don't want too much definition in the front and then it doesn't match the back, if that makes sense. But I do want to like put the definition back in it because of course dragging the scissors through it kind of got it too fluffy. Yeah, I want that. So that's perfect. I thought the wig was gonna look kind of funny because I didn't have like super small braids under this, but I'm not mad at it. Let's see what the melt is given. I'm gonna just kind of comb these little side hairs up, and now that they're laid where we want them, I'm gonna just kind of trim it a little bit so it looks a little more natural. But we're going for like soft baby hairs, but not perfectly curled. We're going for soft baby hairs, but not like perfectly curled. So kind of mold them into place, and then we're gonna give them a little trim. Okay, I like it. I like it. Gonna soften up the hair in the front. So far I love it, but I do want more volume, so I'm gonna go in with my pick and really, yes, like it's a small difference, but it's there. Like yes, almost there. Yes, okay. I was like, because something ain't sitting right in my spirit. That's what it was. I needed even more volume. And then I'm gonna bring the hair from the back forward and pick that out. Like I want it big, early 2000s 101. Like I'm trying to give very much that. Yes. Okay, girl. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little scared for a second. I'm like, honey, hold on. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 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 Hold on. All right, let's dry these curls. One final shake. One final shake. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the brush that I applied my bronzer with, and I'm just going to add a little tiny bit of product to the lace. Nope, I'm not adding product to the brush. I'm just taking the brush and adding any leftover product onto the lace, and that looks damn good if you ask me. Like, really get into it, because don't be wrong, lace is lace, but the lace is lacing. If you ask me, if I do say so myself, you know what I mean? Yeah. Say what to be think. I know y'all love a straight out the bag wig. Y'all know I do it for y'all, you know. So what do we think? How do we feel about the texture? I love the color and the color placement. It's black where I want it to be black. I love the like peekaboo in the front, the color on the ends. The texture of the hair is gorgeous. If y'all want to see me wash the hair and see like the curl pattern after that and how the wig lasts, let me know. I would love to do a follow-up video. But so far she's cute. Let's get into the curls. I didn't want to press out the roots too much because I do want that volume, but I'm loving her. I can see this being like a thing this summer for sure. So let me know what you think. I hope that you loved today's video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you're subscribed. We're almost at 100K. Please send it to your homegirl. I love you. Bye.